Hey guys, I hope you're well. No edits in this video, so unless it's upside down, you I'm gonna post what I get. Uh, I'm in kind of a silly mood, and I just gotta make this quick and announce that the video, the final results video, is done. The thumbnail's done, but I can't post it until I recognize your fine guesses. Guys, well played. I'm very, very proud of each and every one of you. There's a little bit, there's a little loser, a little winner, and a little bit noob in every single one of us. Now that my rah rah cheer speech is over, I'd like to show you something rather disturbing. I was overjoyed at that lid on the Walmart house brand lunch meat container. I I wrote this out real quick, and then I figured I need some presentation paper to announce this on. And oh joy, when I turned that over and it was blank, let me show you something. Hang on. I pause you. Now, I don't want to give away the guesses yet, but look at the smearage. Smearage. And I'm pissed off because I even coined the TIT moniker for Scott because he threw in the towel, man. Got a bit thick and heavy for him. Scott, my hat's off to you, sir. And because of your bravery in just calling it quits and saying fuck it, basically, you get second place. Now, hang on. I pause you. What do I do with this? I can't show you any more info because then you could figure out who the winner is. I'm not giving it away. Hey, I know what I'll do. Guys, thank you for your gamesmanship. Thank you for your excellent guesses. Thank you for playing Blozo's silly game. And thanks for playing my game too. It's fun talking in the third person. What else was I going to say? Oh, yeah. So I reviewed your guesses. I've listed them. And tomorrow I announced the winner. Okay, guys? Hey, let me tell you something that happened to me last night. I was taking Blitzen for a walk. It was dark out, and it was just before Kyle got out of work. This probably happened about 10 p.m. Blitzy and I were heading up our street, Villas Drive. All of a sudden, I saw some lights up in the sky. I looked up and saw a fucking UFO. Oh boy, I was stunned out of my mind. I watched this object slowly pass over my street, not flying. It wasn't going fast enough to fly. It was floating slowly, about the height of Cessna, like a Cessna 180 might fly. It was about 5,000 feet high at the most, about a mile away from me, due east of me. This thing had a double row of lights on it. This hideous craft, was the shape of a soda straw. You want to know how long it was? Half mile. This thing moving through the sky was a half a fucking mile long, as thin as a soda straw. That's the form factor it had. Blitzy, I can't finish the story. It would take too long. Blitzy was freaked. I was scared to death, man. I was scared to death. And I got lost. I couldn't find my home. I called my brother Art. He listened to the whole thing take place. He listened to me freaking out afterwards because I was lost on my own street. That's how disturbed I got. After it was over, I couldn't force Blitzen to move. He was sitting in the middle of the street. When I tried to force him, he lay down in the middle of the street. He wasn't going anywhere. This thing passed overhead, and it got to about a mile away on the other side of me, right? I watched it pass from right to left, and it was still really, really bright up there. And over the course of about 5 seconds, I watched it fade out, and blink, it was gone. Now, it didn't fade out from being farther and farther away, right? I mean, it was bright, and it was moving slow, and it faded and was gone. Watch tomorrow for the big winner announcement. I've got the willies right now, man. I think I got a date with a friend. Yeah, that was a freaking trip. I was freaked. What in the hell was it? 73.